Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to format your book for printing in Microsoft Word. So first, go to Amazon and decide if you want a blank template or a template with sample content. Then click on the download button for your chosen template. Then click on open the download. Then open the downloaded zip folder and select your language and trim size. The most common trim size for paperbacks in the US is 6x9, but you have several trim size options. If you are unsure which size to pick, find books with content similar to yours to get an idea of what readers expect. Now extract the template file and open it in Microsoft Word. Then make sure to remove any template sample text to avoid upload errors or rejection. Now, copy content from another document if needed and paste it into the template. Then correct any formatting issues that occur. To add an ISBN, go to the copyright page and type the number, ensuring it matches the one assigned to your book. For the table of contents, wait to add page numbers until after inserting your book content. To remove a placeholder text, click on the Home tab and in the Paragraph section, click the Show Hide button. Highlight the placeholder text and press Delete. Then place your cursor in front of the section break marker and press Delete again. Now to add a chapter, highlight and copy the last chapter. Place your cursor at the end of the last chapter and press Enter. Then paste the copy text. Go to the Insert tab and click on Page Break and adjust spacing if needed. Now to delete chapters, highlight the chapter you want to delete and press Backspace. Make sure to highlight the section break as well. Now to customize the headers, double-click on the header, then replace the placeholder text for the book title and author name with your information. Then double-click outside the header to save changes. Ensure there is no placeholder text left in the chapters. And after finalizing your book content, verify that the book details in your file matches the information you entered during title setup. If adding images, ensure they are high resolution, at least 300 dpi. Ensure the text is legible using at least a 7-point font. Then save your formatted manuscript by going to File, then click on Save or Save As. Select PDF in the type format and make sure to embed the fonts. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.